Today we'll talk about how can you add preferred language on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down, click in this sign down here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on privacy and safety here. So you just switch into open with you here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, you come here to preferred languages, just click on it. Then you just switch into open with you here. So then here can you add your preferred language in this list, can you select it here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.